What's going on, you guys? Welcome to The Future Is Now. Have you ever wanted to experience what it would be like to fly like a bird? Maybe you're just looking for a great way to have fun at the beach and keep the sun out of your eyes. Maybe you're in the market for the world's most advanced drone, or even just a pair of incredibly stylish earbuds. We've got all this and more, so sit back and be sure to stick around for number 1. Birdly VR. Who hasn't wanted to fly like a bird at some point in their lives? Birdly VR is a new way to experience VR, putting you in the position of a bird using a full-body suit that allows you to flap your wings and tilt your body to fly around. You can quickly change speed, altitude, and navigation pattern. Every part of your body will allow you to make your movements mirrored on screen. Not only this, but a large turbine is placed nearby as well, so you'll feel the wind in your hair as you soar. You'll be able to fly over beautiful cities, enjoy interactive storytelling, and experience many fun surprises along the way. Each Birdly kit includes a VR unit, a pair of 3D headphones, an operator control app, and a 12-month warranty. You can experience Birdly right now by contacting the D3D Cinema for pricing information and leasing opportunities. Techy. Are you tired of boring lighting in your photos or videos? Techy is a reactive, wireless, next-generation LED system that will let you instantly make animated effects using a wireless DMX lighting technology that was specifically designed for film and events. This lighting system is paired to any normal Wi-Fi connection and is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. It is super durable, super lightweight, and very bright. Though one of the most important features is that it is completely wireless. With Techy, you'll be able to experience large budget lighting for a price that is affordable by nearly anyone, even amateur filmmakers. Each of the light pillars is rechargeable with a standard USB-C connection, making it easy to take anywhere you go. The LEDs are crazy bright and will not flicker when being filmed on camera. These lights will instantly change your photography and filming and take your project to the next level. The lights start at just over $200. ProSpeed Back Protector. If you like riding a motorcycle, this device could save your life. This back protector was designed for motorcyclists who love to spend time on the track or simply riding at high speeds. This protector was designed to keep all of your bones intact in the event of a crash or a fall, so that you won't become seriously injured. When combined with a helmet, you'll be extremely well protected on your next motorcycle ride. Using its aluminum internal structure, you'll feel very well cradled without feeling hot. The material will acclimate to your body's temperature so that you can stay cool or warm depending on the weather. These back protectors have been in development since 1979 and are a must-have for any high-speed rider. The ProSpeed Back Protector offers excellent load dissipation so that the force of your fall will not transfer through your spine. It also offers superb breathability, a lightweight design, and will fit almost anyone. This brace can be found right now for $209. Tactical Mace. Would you like an amazing, yet intimidating way to keep yourself safe in the event of a break-in or an attack? This tactical mace is everything you need to deal out some serious damage if anyone ever threatens your life. Made out of solid polypropylene, this mace will keep you safe no matter what and will never break down no matter how often you use it. Measuring about 20 inches, it's suitable for use by anyone of any body type, and its lightweight design lets you swing it with ease. This is a one-piece injection molded design, so you'll never have to worry about the handle snapping or the mace burrs breaking away. The rigid handle gives you a perfect amount of grip with the paracord lanyard that prevents it from being stolen from you or you dropping it. This mace can be purchased right now for just $26.99. InCharge 6. Wouldn't it be great to have a phone charger anywhere you need it, wherever you need it? InCharge 6 is the perfect way to keep your devices charged no matter where you are. This is a tiny 6-inch charging cable that can clip onto your keyring so you can take it anywhere. This will allow you to easily use a power bank without having to lug around a full-length cable that may get tangled or knotted on your journey. This cable is compatible with both iPhones and Android devices, making it the perfect all-in-one solution. A keyring can be looped through the charger, allowing you to easily keep it on your keys. Being made from zinc aluminum alloy, this cable is built to last and won't crimp or break when placed in your pocket. It's super lightweight and will not weigh down your keys either. InCharge 6 is available now for just $19.99. Capsby. Capsby is a very unique product that is both fun and fashionable. Why take a frisbee to the beach when you could just use your hat? This hat was designed to be perfectly aerodynamic so that it can be used as both a frisbee and a hat. There are all sorts of fun games you can play with Capsby, and you can throw it up to 50 meters away without it falling. You'll now be able to play frisbee anytime, anywhere, and experience an all-new way of enjoying the sport. The fabrics of this hat make it super durable and easy to wash if it gets dirty. It's even safe for children. It's very soft and lightweight so that people of all ages can enjoy it. Capsby is available now for $35.99. Tiger & Rose. Tiger & Rose is an all-new line of amazing earbuds that use Bluetooth technology to give you amazing wireless sound quality with a super cool design. These buds are incredibly unique and will fit in most ears without any issues. They're IPX5 water resistant and are super lightweight. Much like Apple's AirPods, the Tiger & Rose earbuds can be used as a pair or individually, and they'll instantly switch between these two modes. Using Bluetooth 5.0 technology, these earbuds will use a very small amount of power while delivering strong and consistent audio quality. These earbuds are available now for $129. Black Hornet Nano. The Black Hornet is a drone that was specifically designed for military use. This drone is tiny and super quiet so that it can sneak across enemy lines without being detected. It can help save thousands of lives of people and reduce the risk of collateral damage if an enemy spots it. This drone will let you massively improve the amount of surveillance you have, helping you keep your soldiers and citizens safe in the event of an attack. These drones are currently unavailable to the public, so we don't know much about their pricing. However, if you're looking for the best drone on the market, the Black Hornet is second to none. Floss. If you hate flossing, Floss is a new device that will make flossing quicker and easier than ever before. This is the world's first eco-friendly electric flosser that will make flossing just as easy as brushing your teeth. The sonic vibrations will vibrate at least 12,000 times per minute. It's super easy to swap out the biodegradable flossing heads so that you'll always have a clean floss whenever you need it. A magnetic mirror mount is also included so that you can clip the flosser out of the way when you're not using it. LEDs will also light up to let you know how long you've been flossing, so you know when you've done a good job.